Now this next little trick, when you go to take the belt off, there's a pulley underneath here. I don't know if you can see it. There it is right there. And you have to push up on the drum to help release that. I've gotten a little bit older, so I do a little trick with a chair and a 2x4. So let me show you. So I take the 2x4, push up on the drum, and slide that underneath so I get pressure on that. The chair helps to keep it up out of the way. So now that way it makes it easier for me to go down underneath and release that pulley. So here we are, 2x4 holding that up. And now I'm gonna go ahead and release that pulley. Let me see if I can. Get that to stay up there while I'm doing that. Kind of push that in there a little bit more. Get back in here. There we go. Get that off, and that just snaps right off there. And then you're good.